Oh my effing god. First of all, Nati, if you're seeing this, salute. J Park, if you're seeing this, salute. All right, let's get into this. Let's go. Oh, but before, check out my Patreon. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Yeah, check it out. Link in the description down below. But J Park, Taxi, Blur, featuring Nati F, Kiss of Life, official music video. Captions on 4K. Whew, let's go. I'm not ready. We on some R&B? Bro, the way it just fades in feels R&B, bro. Let's get it. Give it to me. Who the hell calls taxis nowadays? Damn. Woo! We just a body roll cop of shit, bro. Hey. Hey. He said he too drunk. I'm gonna call you a taxi. Oh shit. Damn. Damn. He's saying with his chest, bro. Hey, that suit look nice, bro. Damn. Let's go get it. Hey, Oh, it's a whole vest. Okay. Hey, he in his bag right now. Damn. Got the watch. Okay, Jay. Ooh, the pickup. Hey. Better. Damn, Jay. That was an interesting transition. Hey yo. Hit that. Damn. Okay. I love it. Just the way she's singing it, the vibe. She look good. Like she look good. You know what I'm saying? It's like very old school. Ooh, wait a sec. Oh hell no! Who the fuck? Yeah, you push his ass back. Oh, then he getting his ass jumped. I'm sorry for laughing. I didn't know he was gonna get his ass jumped in this whole music video. Nati, back him up. Oh, he died. Did he die? He knocked out. Cause in real life he think he dancing with Nati, but it's not. He just got knocked the fuck. Okay. Hey. That's an interesting set too. Oh, he get the body roll in there, bro. Woo. Hey. Woo. Oh man. Man, she hitting that body roll too good. I'm saying like she went like the like top of deal, bro. Like she went. Let me see it. She He be hitting that edge, bro. Ooh. Hey, yo, J Park, move. This is fire. Ooh. Get it. Aww. Woo! Hey, yo! Dang, that's a banger right there, right? Oh, they took your girl too? So hard left. Dang, he got fucked up. Oh, she with the girlies. She don't need no man, that's why. That was fire. That was a great collab. Yo, clap it up for that one. That was fuego. Wait, hold up. We need to watch Not This Part again. I'm sorry, J Park. But this feature be popping. Oh, yes, ma'am. Bop. I like that part. That's very old school R&B too, like. And then an overlay of like. To be honest, Kiss of Life got me in a chokehold for real. That's some foul shit, bro. He initiated that shit. That was a hit. That was a hit on J Park, bro. He initiated it. First of all, he looked kind of built too. I know J Park ripped, but boy, he looked kind of built as well. Pushed his ass. Beat his ass down. Put his ass to sleep. Now he's dreaming about the outro of this song. Damn, that fucking body. I'm just like that. God damn. Hold up. Can I green screen myself in here? J Park and Nati killed that shit, bro. Damn. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think of J Park Nati's Taxi Blur. I think it was one of my favorite collabs of this year. I'm not gonna lie. That was fire. That was fire too. Was it expected? Not really, but I'm kind of glad it happened. All right, put a comments down below what you guys think of the music video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream about 30% hard work, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.